the use of information and communication technology in teaching and learning of mathematics in Al-Faruq College of Education, Wenchi-Ghana. Presenter Abu Sulemana, ID number ART 20198184. Affiliation Al-Faruq College of Education, Department of Mathematics and Information and Communication Technology. City Wenchi. Country Ghana. Introduction. The application of information and communication technology in teaching and learning of mathematics. ICT is now all over the globe, and for that matter, mathematics is no exception. The purpose of the paper: 1. To assess the use of information and communication technology by mathematics tutors. 2. To determine mathematics tutors' ICT competency in teaching and learning. 3. To ascertain mathematics tutors' pedagogical practices with ICT. 4. To find out the barriers hindering the use of ICT in teaching of mathematics at Al-Faruq College of Education. Research objectives. 1. What contributes to the current state of ICT usage in the college? 2. Are the tutors at the college giving the required training in ICT usage? 3. How adequate are the ICT facilities in the college? 4. What is the attitude of tutors towards the ICT usage in the college? 5. What is the level of technological and pedagogical content knowledge of tutors in teaching mathematics with ICT? Method use. Methodology use. A cross-sectional survey or cross-sectional descriptive survey was carried out among 4 tutors and 80 students in the college. The questionnaire items included tutors' ICT competency, pedagogical practices, and barriers to the use of ICT. The research objectives were examined by using descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics such as what? Standard deviation, mode, mean, median. Key findings. 1. Tutors seldom use the appropriate pedagogy in relation to the use of ICT in teaching mathematics. The tutors were not using, they were using rarely. Respondents were aware of the benefit of good pedagogical practices in a lesson. Tutors are challenged with a lot of ICT barriers, i.e. absence of training opportunities and infrastructure deficit when using ICT in the teaching and learning of mathematics. Also, tutors are not aware of the appropriate ICT application to be used in their lesson, such as the GeoAlgebra MATLAB, to mention but a few. Research limitations. Inadequate funding limited the study to only mathematics and not any other subject. Reduce the sample size to only 84 respondents instead of the entire college. Thank you.